You have nothing figured out. No routine, no direction, no momentum. Maybe you lost it. Maybe you never had it. Either way, right now you are at 0. And the advice you keep getting is start small. Be consistent. Trust the process. But nobody ever gives you the actual map. This is the map. 30 days, real steps. No motivation required, just decisions. If you are at 0 right now and willing to move, stay. Week 1 is not about building. It is about stopping the bleeding. Before you add anything good, you have to remove what is keeping you stuck. Day 1 through 7. Cut one thing. The habit draining your energy most. Late nights, mindless scrolling, toxic conversations. Pick the worst one and cut it for 7 days. You are not fixing your life yet. You are just creating space. You cannot build in a room full of damage. Week 2 is about the smallest possible structure, not a perfect routine. Just 2 anchors. A time you wake up and a time you do one productive thing. Day 8 through 14. Wake at the same time every day. Do one thing that moves your life forward, even 10 minutes. Same time, every day. By day 14, you will not feel transformed, but something small will have shifted. That shift is everything. Week 3 is about adding one input that builds you. One book, one skill, 20 minutes of learning every day, not for anyone else, for the person you are becoming. Day 15 through 21, 20 minutes of intentional learning daily. It compounds invisibly. You will not see it working. It is working. Week 4 is about showing up for something real, not planning, not preparing, shipping, doing the actual thing you have been avoiding. Day 22 through 30, do the thing, the video, the application, the project, imperfect and real, one output every day. At the end of 30 days, you will not have a perfect life, but you will have evidence. Evidence that you can build, that you can show up, that you are someone who moves. That evidence is worth more than any plan. Plans do not build identity. Action does. 30 days from now, you will either have started or still be waiting. The gap between those two people is not talent or time. It is one decision made today. Comment 30 if you are starting today. Tell me what day you are on, and I will check in on you.